Good afternoon, class first. Students, let us start with exercise 2.5. In this exercise, we will do sums in increasing order or in decreasing order. Your first question is write in increasing order. Number 1, here is 79, 64, 81, 13. Students, in this sum, firstly we will write smaller number. Which is smaller? 79 is smaller, 64, 81 और 13? 13. हमने बेटा इसको इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. सबसे पहले हम छोटा नंबर लिखेंगे, उसके बाद उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसमें 4 नंबर्स हैं, 1 2 3 4. ओके, हमने ये बताना है सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा. 13 इज स्मॉलर, वी राइट 13. नाउ 3 numbers are left, 79, 64, 81. Which is smaller, 79, 64 or 81? 64. Now numbers are pending, 79, 81. Students, which is smaller? 79. And last is 81. बेटा इन सम्स में हमने सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर लिखना है, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा. लाइक हमारे पास सबसे पहले था 13 छोटा था, मैंने 13 लिखा. उसके बाद हमारे पास ये 3 बचे नंबर, 79, 64 और 81. हमने इन तीनों में से बताना है कि कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. तो इन तीनों में से बेटा 64 छोटा था. ठीक है, 64 भी हमने लिख दिया. फिर हमारे पास बचा सिर्फ 79 और 81. देन we write 79 here and last is 81. Next is student 46, 38, 99 or 70. Which is smaller number? Students, 38 is smaller. Here we write 38. Okay, after 38, yes, 46, 99, 70. 46, 99, 70. What will we write? 46. Because from these 3 numbers, 46, 99 or 70, 46 is smaller. We write here 46. Next, these 2 numbers are remain, 99 or 70. Which is smaller? 70. Here we write 70. And last is our 99. Okay, in increasing order, firstly we will write smaller number, after that bigger, greater number. Okay, from like in first sum 79, 64, 81 or 13 is there. Then in these statements, these numbers, which is smaller? 13 is smaller. Here we write 13. Then 3 numbers are remain, 79, 64 and 81. Which is smaller from these numbers? 64. Again 79, 81. Okay, your question number 2 is write in descending order. In increasing order we write smaller number first, but in decreasing order we write greater number. Okay, here is first sum. A part is 19, 49, 88, 64. Students, from these 4 numbers which is greater? इनमें से कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है? 88. Here we write 88. Then 3 numbers are there, 19, 49, 64. Which is greater? 19 is greater, 49 or 64? 64. Here we write 64. Okay, then these 2 numbers are remain. Which is greater? 19 or 49? 49 is greater. Here we write 49 and number is left 19. At last 19 is there. Okay students, let us start with B part. 39, there are 4 numbers again, 39, 68, 84, 37. From these 4 numbers, which is greater? 84. We write here 84. Okay. 3 numbers are remain, 39, 68 or 37. Students, which number is greater? 68. We write 68. Okay. Now 2 are pending, 39 or 37. Which is greater? 39 is greater or 37? 39. Here we write 39 and last is our 37. Okay students, these are the sums. For question number 1 is based on increasing order and question number 2 is based on decreasing order. There are 4 numbers and we have to, in increasing order, firstly we write smaller number, and in decreasing order we write from greater number. We will go greater to smaller, and in increasing order we will go smaller to greater number. Okay students, class first, if you have any doubt you can message in class group.